My brother. A woman is like music, and your life is like a long road trip. Music makes the journey more exciting and less boring, but even without music, your car can still move and reach its destination. In fact, if you play the music too loud, you'll lose focus on driving, miss the sound of a horn, and end up in an accident. Remember, guys, a woman is a companion on your life's journey, but she's not your final destination. Don't fail to reach your goals just because you were too busy enjoying the music. Here's another example. A woman is like a beautiful view, and your life is like climbing a mountain. That view makes your climb more meaningful and inspiring. But even if thick fog hides the scenery, your goal remains the summit, and you must keep climbing. If you get too captivated by one beautiful view, you'll stop walking, run out of time, and never reach the top. Remember, a woman is a beautiful bonus during the climb, but she's not the mountain peak you're chasing. Don't fail to reach the summit of your dreams just because you got lost admiring the scenery along the way. And here's another one. A woman is like a supplement, and your life is like training at the gym. Supplements can help speed up muscle growth and boost your energy, but even without them, your muscles will still grow if your training is right, your rest is enough, and your diet is proper. If you drink too many supplements but train lazily, your body won't grow. Instead, your kidneys might get damaged. Remember, a woman is a support in your life, but she's not your main workout. Don't get lazy building yourself just because you're too busy chasing supplements. Want to be even more convinced? A woman is like the wind, and your life is like a ship sailing the ocean. The wind can make your ship sail faster toward the island you aim for. But even without wind, your ship still has an engine and a compass. You can still sail forward. If you misread the wind's direction or sail into a storm, your ship can tilt, break apart, or sink. Remember, a woman is an extra boost, but she's not the main force or compass that guides your life. Don't hand over control of your ship, or you might end up sinking in the middle of the ocean. And finally, the last one. A woman is like color, and your life is like a painting. Colors make your artwork more alive and beautiful to look at. But even if you paint in black and white, your work can still have meaning and value as long as the sketch is strong and clear. If you use the wrong colors or mix too many together, your painting can end up messy, loud, and ruined. Remember, a woman is the color on the canvas of your life, but she's not the canvas itself, nor the main image. Don't destroy your whole masterpiece just because you chose the wrong color. So guys, a woman can add melody, color, and meaning to your life, but never let her become the reason you lose your rhythm, your focus, or your purpose. A wise man never lets the music control the journey, the view stop the climb, the supplement replace the training, the wind steer the ship, or the colors blur the canvas. He stays the driver, the climber, the builder, the captain, and the artist of his own life. I hope this opened your eyes about women. Stay tuned on this channel and see you soon.